guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna talk about what is ketosis, what is putting you into ketosis, and as you see from the title, this is a beginner video. Now on, from every Monday we're gonna do beginner videos to help you actually start out your keto journey, start out your weight loss, right? So every Monday I'm gonna post videos that is helping beginners and establishing a successful weight loss journey based on my coaching experience. So actually you are getting coaching absolutely for free, and the first thing is to understand what is actually putting your body into ketosis. If you are new here, then my name is Yvette and we do videos just like this one, and we help you to start out keto right, help you to lose weight and actually get to your goal weight, and also to get healthy and maintain this lifestyle. So if you like this, hit that red subscribe button and definitely stay with us. So now, what is ketosis? Basically, ketones, the word where the diet comes from, is the bioproduct of burning fat. So when you burn fat, either your own fat or the dietary fat that you eat, then you get a bioproduct called ketones, and your body is actually, instead of running on glucose, that is sugar, going to run on fat. Basically, ketones, these are the energy units or the bioproduct of fat burning. So that's the simple answer. If you want to know what is putting you into ketosis, is basically cutting your carbs. Probably you heard that keto is a high fat, low carb lifestyle, and many people, in my experience, think that you are in ketosis because you eat a bunch of fat, and actually it's not true. You are into ketosis, or you are going into ketosis because you cut carbs, and your body naturally enters into this state of ketosis because your carbs are so low and you deprive the body from high amount of carbs. So if you keep your carbs between 20 to 50 grams a day, your body naturally going to enter ketosis within the first 3 or 4 days, or maybe even a week. Depends on how much your body is depending on carbs, how much your body is actually needing carbs. Some people even can have a little bit more, some people need a little less, but about 20 to 50 a day you are good to go. If you want to lose weight, I suggest that you go close to 20, and you ideally consume about 20 grams a day, and then you will be nicely in ketosis and start to burn fat. So that's basically my number one video for beginners. That's one of the most important things to understand, and next week we're gonna take another video actually how to put your meals together, how to start out keto right. So see you in that video, and on Wednesday we're gonna do an advanced video for advanced ketoers or dieters or weight loss people. So stay tuned for that, and see you on Wednesday.